Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by priming the phone so the fitness app can track you. Open Settings, confirm motion and fitness is on, then enter weight, height, and birth date and health so estimations are correct. Once done, allow fitness to read steps and active energy. This connects pedometer and health metrics. Make sure background app refresh is active for fitness. Otherwise, your phone won't record reliably when the screen locks. Now you run workouts using the iPhone's sensors. Launch the built-in workout or a health-integrated third-party app and pick the exact activity, walking, run, cycling, because each uses different calorie formulas. Carry the phone on your body. Loose bags reduce step accuracy. During longer sessions, lock the screen but keep the app running so GPS and accelerometer stay active. Once you finish, save the session so steps, distance, and active energy populate fitness. Finish by verifying data sync and closing any gaps. Open Fitness to check rings and workout entries. If something is missing, you can manually add a workout in health under activity and set duration and calories. Make sure apps have permission to write to health so future sessions populate automatically. If step counts or calories seem wrong, toggle motion and fitness off and on, reboot the phone, then retest a short walk to confirm sensors are back to normal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.